Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. We're taking a look at the National Bank of Fujairah, or NBF, specifically their website at nbf.ae/en. This serves as the bank's primary digital storefront, providing a comprehensive overview of their offerings for both individual and corporate clients. Navigating through the site, you'll discover an array of financial services, from personal banking solutions like checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards to more complex corporate banking options such as trade finance, treasury management, and investment banking services. The website is designed with user experience in mind, aiming to provide clear and concise information to its visitors. It features a streamlined layout and intuitive navigation, making it easy for users to find the specific services they need. In addition to providing detailed information on their financial products, NBF's website also offers valuable resources such as market insights, financial news, and educational materials designed to empower customers to make informed financial decisions. The site also provides access to online banking and other digital tools, adding a layer of convenience for managing finances remotely. Furthermore, NBF's online presence extends beyond just presenting their services. The website also highlights the bank's commitment to corporate social responsibility and sustainability, showcasing their involvement in community initiatives and environmentally conscious practices. This focus on broader societal impact reinforces the bank's position as not just a financial institution, but also a responsible corporate citizen. Exploring the website further reveals sections dedicated to investor relations, career opportunities, and contact information, ensuring transparency and accessibility for all stakeholders. Ultimately, NBF's website at nbf.ae/en serves as a comprehensive digital hub, providing a wealth of information and resources for anyone interested in learning more about the bank and its services. It aims to be a valuable resource for existing customers and a compelling introduction for potential clients. Remember to check out their online banking options for managing your finances on the go.